Okay. Okay. We on the record in calls numbers 321-940 and calls number 321-942. Both cases are style the state of Texas versus Patrick Lee Stewart. Mr. Bailey, could you please go get
Mr. Stewart, I released him, Your Honor, to be back at 1:30 tomorrow, or 1 or 1:30 tomorrow.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, because we had it set for as the number one case.
Correct.
And then the court was informed that the state had filed, well, it's titled unopposed motion for continuance in both cases.
So that's why I wanted to respond, and I can explain that. So I did get a call from Ashley last week regarding the motion for continuance, and my response to her was that we were unopposed unless the case had been continued for the complainant's unavailability before. My client tells me that it has been continued on a prior occasion for that reason. So I was just going to ask the court to see if the court's notes show that it was continued for a lack of.
Do we have a motion, and could you check?
I don't think it was done through a motion. I think it was just simply at the bench. I just don't know what kind of notes the court takes, but my client was very adamant that it had been reset for her unavailability before. Case being going on.
When would,
I can't say that may not have happened, but I just know that from my years of practicing in this court, that would be very unusual because you usually do not reset if it's on the trial docket for such as that. Just verbally. I know that you usually have a.
yeah, I mean, he's saying that I don't know if we had anything on that. What was do we know what date it may have been set on?
Yeah, this case, we started coming down here in the beginning of 19.
Okay, when was I'm just trying to figure out what could be a trial date.
It would have been the trial date. So I know that he missed court a couple times ago, 2 or 3 times ago. So it would have
okay,
been,
hold on, let me do this here. Let me hold on a minute. Let me we have to go back and check. We'll be